They are stacking up, and so is the controversy. Detroit's bankruptcy could cost taxpayers $200 million in fees for those consultants and attorneys. And Detroit's mayor is saying, not so fast. 7 investigator Jim Kurtzner is on that case tonight. Now, is this controversy attracting a crowd, Jim?
It is, Jeff. I've talked to a lot of representatives who represent those 23,000 retirees. Remember, they took pension cuts. They wanted to talk about this, but then said they cannot because Judge Stephen Rhodes has thrown this multi-million-dollar hot potato into closed mediation. The mayor is speaking out, but he's guarded.
Right now, my immediate concern are these consultant fees, and so we got a legal proceeding going on that I think needs to be addressed.
Judge Stephen Rhodes finds himself in the middle of the battle over the bottom line, so he's ordering disputes over bills for consultants and attorneys to close mediation. It's headed up by Chief Federal Judge Gerald Rosen, who mediated and celebrated last week major settlements in the bankruptcy case. Judge Rhodes appointed a fee examiner at the start of the case, Chicago attorney Robert Fishman, who's been doing ongoing reviews and will continue with the final big bills. Inside federal court with no cameras, the mayor's attorney told Judge Rhodes this could affect the number of cops and firefighters working the streets. The judge called that political grandstanding. The mayor is still picking his words carefully.
When the plan goes from $100 million, or actually $96 million in consultant fees, to $130 million, to at the end $177 million, it's very concerning. And of course, the city of Detroit has had no ability to influence these fees or approve them.
That's because the mayor's had no say until now. This is the team driving Detroit's bankruptcy: emergency manager Kevin Orr and attorneys from his former law firm, Jones Day. Some of these partners are billing $1,000 an hour. Several of them attend every court hearing. This morning is the first meeting of the state financial review team that has oversight of Detroit after bankruptcy. Kevin Orr there this morning, declining to comment. Darrell Burks reviewed Detroit's finances for the state before bankruptcy and is back again for oversight. The big bankruptcy bills can hit hard.
They've done all the cuts. Now we have to determine whether or not there's revenue to do the things that's on the table to do.
Now everybody wants to know in bankruptcy when it will be done. That's up to Judge Stephen Rhodes. He has to set an effective date. He still has not done that. What he has set is yet another court hearing for here on November the 24th. Jeff, Joanne?
Well, Jim, I know last week when we were there listening to that ruling, we were talking about that mediation when it came to the fees. Is there any chance there might be a cap put on these fees?
That's going to be up to first the fee examiner, what's appropriate, what's reasonable. Then it's going to be up to the chief judge here, Judge Gerald Rosen. Those are the two steps, and that's going to be the city's chance. If they say these bills are inflated or excessive, that's where they will make their case.
We'll see what happens. Jim, thank you very much. Good job.
Still